When we put 1 in here, we're going to get 0, I'm sorry, we're going to get a number over 0. But since this is a little more complicated on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and factor that out. So the limit as x approaches 1 from the left, we have 4x over x minus 3 times x minus 1. Nothing cancels out or anything like that. But as we look at this, on top, we're going to be approaching 4. Bottom here, 1 minus 3 is going to be negative 2. The left or right part really doesn't matter there. It only matters when it's a 0 because that tells us positive or negative. This factor, when we put 1 in, we're approaching 0, but since we're doing it from the left, we're approaching 0 from the left. So in the bottom, we have negative 2 times something really, really close to 0 that's negative. Well, we have basically a negative times a negative, which is going to make it positive, and it's just going to end up being really, really close to 0, but positive. So for this one, we get positive infinity. All right, and then from the other side, limit as x approaches 1 from the right, 4x over x minus 3 times x minus 1. We're going to get 4 on top again. Bottom, we're approaching negative 2 here, and we're approaching 0 from the right this time. So now on the bottom, we end up approaching 0 from the left because of the negative times the positive, which gives us negative infinity. Since these are different, our overall limit does not exist.